My name is Attorney Jim Vickaryous, and I'm talking about insurance insights. And what we're talking about today is a claims made policy and why it's so different than other policies. So, the policy that most people are familiar with, for instance, policy that probably covers your house or your car or many other things in your life, is called an occurrence policy. So you buy insurance typically for 6 months or a year. Anything that happens, any claim that happens during that time period, any occurrence is covered. If it happens before the policy period, if it happens after the policy period, it isn't covered. If somebody makes a claim after the policy period is expired and that claim actually happened during the policy period, it's still covered. So these are occurrence policies. Now, there's many policies out there called claims made policies, and they're very, very different policies. And they can be very dangerous for both the insured, the person who's insured by those policies, and the person who's making a claim for an injury or some type of negligence during that time period. One of the great um, problems or worries that everybody needs to have when it comes to a claims made policy is the actual name of the policy has to do with when the claim has to be made. Claims made policies require any claim to be made during the policy period. So if you're injured or have a negligence claim on the last day of that claims made policy and you do not make your claim that very day to the insurance policy, very next day, if you make your claim, there's no insurance coverage. All that insurance coverage is gone. So it's very important to know the difference. Now, as somebody who may be making a claim, you won't have any idea whether it's an occurrence or a claims made policy. But if you're the insured party, if you're the party whose name is on that insurance policy and it's a claims made policy, it is imperative for you to keep your coverage and to basically keep the ability to protect your assets from somebody who's making a claim against you, that you know when that claims made expiration date is. And if somebody that you know of that has a viable claim against you under that policy, you need to make sure that you self-report it to the insurance company. That way, the insurance company is aware of it and you still have coverage after that policy date is over with. Again, this is Jim Vicarious giving insurance insights and letting you know the upsides and the pitfalls of insurance coverage. Thank you again. Bye bye.